Remember these? I unboxed these about 2 years ago. These are the JBL Endurance Race earbuds. I loved these things. They were fantastic. Sound quality out of the box was a little iffy, but the app really pulled it through. I overall had a great positive experience with them. Even though I never made a review, I highly recommended these to a lot of my friends. Unfortunately, these cannot be found anymore in my possession. Either somebody stole them from my car or I just severely misplaced them. Either way, I can't find them. So what are we going to do? Are we going to buy another pair? We could, but this is me we're talking about, which means I bought these in May of 2022, and I'm pretty sure in November of that same year for Black Friday, I bought these and never opened them. These are the JBL Tunes 115s, 115s, and we are going to unbox these today and see what you get in the box, and hopefully after I get to use them, I will remember to make a review, unlike these where I just totally forgot. But let's get these babies unboxed and see what's inside. Let's crack this seal open. Okay, slipping out the packaging. What do we got? Well, we have the same orange USB Type-C cable that came with the Endurance Races. We have the flip-up charge case. This is a lot, I don't know, it's a lot stubbier than the Endurance Race. I think I like the Endurance Race one more. It looks like it has the LED power indicator. The Endurance Race ones, they had a line that ran in quarters, I guess. I think it was quarters. It might have been fifths. But either way, this one uses a three dot one. And then inside, we have the earbuds themselves. On the outset of feeling them, they feel, how do I put this? I can see why these Endurance Races were the sport version. They felt very rugged, very sporty. These feel a lot more, I guess, I don't know how to put it, but this is gonna sound so stupid, but they feel a lot more civilian. Like the plastic feels cheaper. They don't feel as durable. I felt like I could throw these at the ground and they would be just fine. I feel like if I hold this too tightly, I might snap it in half. It just doesn't feel good. The buttons on the earbuds have a nice snap to them. And do they have the indicators on them? They have indicators. I'm not sure if they have the, oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, we got left and right earbud indicators. That's good to have. I don't know actually what I was thinking. I'm not a fan of this style of earbud. I think I liked these more, these rectangles, more than this, what the hell do you call this? A oblong? This oblong shape? Yeah, okay. So we got all that. What else do we have in the box? They gave us extra different sized silicone ear domes, ear covers. And then we also have the quick start guide, which if we crack this baby open. Oh, here we go. We got button commands. Let's see what we got for button commands. So we have the fast forward, or no, skip to next call, skip forward. You have play and pause on earbud 2, I think that is. This is stereo mode. You can also put them in mono mode. And then you got LED behaviors. So we have power on, Bluetooth connecting. We have Bluetooth connected, low battery, battery charging, and fully charged. And as you can see down here, I was right. The 3 dots are the power indicators, but they only run obviously by thirds. So low battery charging is, you know, if you've got charged in, and then you got full battery, which is the full 3 dots. I will say about the JBL earbuds that I learned from the Endurance Races, the app is what's going to save these quality wise for you. The sound out of the box on these are not going to be stellar. I haven't tried them out yet. I just know from the Endurance Races, they're not going to be stellar, but once you download the app. Hey, quick after the fact here, I was actually setting up my earbuds and I couldn't get them to pair to the app. And when I read the compatibility guide, turns out that the Tune 115s are not app compatible. Only the Tune 130s and up are compatible. So there is that. But at my initial outset of testing, the sound actually was not bad at all. It's got a good mid, high, and low range. Not stellar, would definitely prefer to tune it my damn self, but you know what? Pretty good for not being tunable and coming right out the box. But there you guys go. That is the unboxing of the JBL 115s. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hey, you can leave a comment, leave a question, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.